right now. It's exactly day 9 of 25 days success challenge. At this point, I need to let you guys know that there is no free money online, right? There's no free money online, but everything is possible, right? It's possible. Not just that it's possible. There's a blueprint already that is on ground, which I'm going to be explaining to each and every one of you when we get to that point. But as I said earlier, knowledge is very, very important. Knowledge is required. If you don't have knowledge of how to do things like creating a landing page, how you can use your social media, power of hashtag, and a lot of tips that we need to get to know. The video marketing, okay, the video marketing aspect, okay. These are the stuff that I've been doing for a couple of years right now. There's a post from the memory that I share like 2-3 days ago. A lot of guys thought that post is new. I posted that particular post sometime in 2016, okay, when I just get started with one of those online business. It's an affiliate, okay. It was $18 right as at that time, but right now it's about $58 to opt-in. These are business that test time over 12 years in the business. It's not just all those business, okay. Hello, Mr. Emmanuel Oyipoka Moses. Thank you for joining tonight. I really appreciate you for joining this evening, right? So as I was saying, today is the day 9. So let me go straight to the business tonight. Day 9, and on day 9, what we have right there is how to withdraw money from. You have to withdraw money to your local account. What are the money? The money you have done online, the money that you receive from the work you have done online, which can be from any kinds of payment system. I've been talking about a lot of payment system online, e-merchants online since day 1. Okay, day 2. If you want to get to know about different kinds of payment system that we have, you can also check for the day 2 and day 3, then to day 5 videos right there on the Facebook group. The Facebook group is the link is on the video, on this video, www.facebook.com/group/get-precise, and you can also get it from my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/Sheyi Omotunde. So as I said, after you've worked so much online, there is a chief executive of Viva right here, Icon Evotech. You have not sold Pioneer for me for some time right now. I need Pioneer right now, okay? I need Pioneer right now, right? So as I was saying, before I saw him on this comment, he's one of those guys that have been breaking in Pioneer through the Viva. He's a big boy, or like a big man. Yeah, it's a big man. They have been raking money from the Viva through the Pioneer and sell to exchanger or use the ATM as the case may be. So, but what we're talking about tonight, as I said earlier, is withdrawing directly to your local account. How do you do that? I talk about at the day 6. I said the best way to withdraw your money is to withdraw it through exchanger, and I mentioned a whole lot of exchanger, but I categorically tell you to go for instant gold, instantgold.ng, www.instantgold.ng. Why am I mentioning instant gold? Does instant gold pay me anything for the advert? No, but these are the company that I've been using for a couple of years now, not months, a couple of years now, and they have over 10 years in the business. So it's not easy to be in this kind of business. The business is very, very volatile, especially when you are dealing with e-currencies. Very, very volatile kind of business. For example, now you're dealing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is $8,000 per coin today, $8,000 per coin today. It's about $6,000 per coin the next day. So is this a kind of very volatile kind of business, right? All right, bro. It's a kind of very volatile kind of business. So if someone can be in such business for a decade, man, he's a boss, right? So that is why I tell you guys to just follow Instant Gold. And for everybody that have been joining tonight, let me take a recall. Icon Media, Emmanuel, I see you guys, right? Right? I hope you guys are getting ready for the grand finale. The grand finale on this particular video link. You can now register for the live event that is coming up on the 30th of this month, straight up in Ikeja. Okay, you can now register for that program that is coming up. Okay, so you can sign up here for this event. I'm pasting it directly on the comment box right now, right? can sign up for that event where I'm going to be unveiling a whole lot of things about online business, and we target keep your job, right? Keep your job or build online business. A lot of people when they hear about online, they make these costly mistakes, okay, that cost not only them but also cost their family, right? Family man that is working, they already have just maybe once a good income, but you are still using that income to upkeep. Okay, when it comes to online, a lot of knowledge is required, and that is why before we move into the last day, before I talk about build online business, that is why we came up with this 25 days success challenge, so that there's going to be a lot of things that are going to be opening up, not just about online but the marketing aspect of it. See, I've said it before in one of those videos that I've in both of my videos online, that despite the fact that we're talking about there's no job everywhere, there's no job this, there's no job that, there's still one particular job that is everywhere, and that is marketing. And that is where most people, even graduates, when you talk about there's a job now and I say marketing, they don't really count marketing job as one real big job. But marketing job is a serious job, right? And when you get to a point in marketing, you will not even want to do anything about from marketing, because marketing for me right now is like playing Mario. I hope you guys remember Mario when we were playing Mario, right? So doing digital marketing is like playing with the computer game right now, right? So when you talk about marketing as well, you don't have to follow the traditional way of marketing. You don't have to be going to one office to another. You can just do all that from the comfort of your home. Yeah, there's a whole lot of tools, and these are the things I'm going to be opening on immediately from day 10 tomorrow. Yeah, digital marketing tools for total domination. So I'll be talking about that tomorrow. Digital marketing tools for total domination, like the link that I just posted for build your online business. That link is a landing page. It's a landing page for an email service provider, right? These are the things that you need to get to know to succeed in online business. So as I said tonight, it's very easy after you have worked either as an affiliate, either as a CPA, is either any kind of business, even if it's an MLM, if it's crowdfunding, any kind of business that you are doing online. The best way when you receive your money is exchanger. Especially, I'm talking from experience in Nigeria, right? The reason why I said exchanger is with exchanger, your money value more, right? Like exchanger will exchange maybe $1 for you, like $3.55. Currently $3.55 from Instant Gold now. But if you take the ATM to the ATM machine, that might give you approximately even less than 300 naira per dollar, and that is not really good. So this is the day 9. So immediately you have money in your account, in your back office of respective company you are working for online. I'm going to be offering some company when we get to day 17, where we talk about the operation 1,500 per month. I'm going to be affiliating some company. So how you withdraw from the back end, then you sell to the exchanger pays your bank account. As I said, if you check the day 4 and 5, I withdraw from one of those currency to the specific. I withdraw from Coinbase, sell to Instant Gold, and I receive the equivalent on my GT account. So that is it tonight. So tomorrow, now that you know how to sign up with the exchanger, how to buy from the exchanger, how to sell from the exchanger, different e-currency that is available. So tomorrow we are going to start with the digital marketing of the business. Because if you have any business, if you have skills, if you have talent, whatever you are doing, okay, whatever college you are doing, but you don't know how to let people know, which is marketing, you have not started. Okay, you have not started. An idea that is not known outside is not an idea. So after you conceive an idea, you need to let people know what you have to offer, and that's where digital marketing comes. So tomorrow we are going to have what I call digital marketing tools for total domination. I hope you guys are ready. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to be talking about digital marketing strictly. I'm done with the exchanger. Then we talk about digital marketing from day 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then on 17, we'll start with Operation $1,500, right? Then see how the system works. I'm going to explain a lot of stuff about the system. Thank you for joining Fisayo Alabi. I'm still waiting for my ticket for Apollo show, right? My ticket. Tell Apollo that without my ticket, you are not going anywhere, right? Still waiting for my ticket for that. So as I said, you guys, tonight, this is what I have to you, how you can withdraw money, to your local account. I said the best way is to do that through your exchanger, and your exchanger will pay to the local account. So tomorrow we are going to continue from day 10, which is digital marketing tools for total domination. So I see you guys tomorrow, and I'm warming up for the day 17. I hope you guys are ready for me. See you guys. If you have any question concerning this, just drop a comment at the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to respond to you on time. And for the event, the live event, which is going to coming up, Ikeja, the Vantage Hub at Ikeja, that's number 103 Allen Avenue, Ikeja. This is going to be on 30th of June, which is Saturday, 30th of June, where I'm going to be discussing about keep your business, keep your job, or build an online business. The link is at the bottom of this video. The link, I've already posted it on the video section as well. Click the link, sign up, book your seats, because I have the space for only 24 people. So once the 24th seats are being reserved, there's nothing I can do for that. So you just have the seat for just only 24 people at the Vantage of number 103 Allen Avenue, Ikeja, second floor. I see you guys there. So from today, you begin to see some of those adverts about the Vantage. And the same day, there's another event coming up at the same place, the same day, which is going to be about video marketing. So if you're interested in video marketing, you can also make it okay to check. Type this on the video marketing training. You can try to type it on the comment box right now. Video marketing training, right? So that is you can sign up for that video marketing training. Pardon me, let me check my system. Good. I got that right now. Okay. Video marketing training. You can sign up. Okay. Typing it right now. Yep, I got it. So that's the video marketing training link. So at the comment section, so you can take advantage of that. So guys, this is what I have for you tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye bye.